What's up, dear gear nerds? I'm Hendrik and I am reporting from the ISPO trade fair in Munich, Germany for the next few days. I know what you're thinking, is he insane? On the one hand, he promotes a sustainable lifestyle, don't buy stuff you don't need and try not to fly, and then he flies to the gear show with the shiniest, newest kit. He can't be right in his head. Well, you are right in parts. I don't like to come to Munich and promote all this shiny new kit, which might give you the urge to buy new gear, when you and I both know that the kit you own probably is still perfect enough. But on the other hand, this is my work. I'm meeting new and existing partners, meet friends, and of course also will be doing the gear videos like in the last 4 or 5 years. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel and you are a gear nerd, may I suggest that you slam that subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you don't miss any new video about the shiny new kit. And as I'm on my own cost here and it ain't cheap, consider to join the tribe on Patreon and help me make these videos for the cost of a coffee or a craft beer. In that sense, thanks for watching, and remember, life is better outdoors.